For Ansible, we need to do a little bit of setup. So what is that setup? Go to the EC2 dashboard. Okay, start an on-demand 2 to 3 servers, whatever you how many you want to start. For us, let's just start one control server and 2 remote servers. Okay, or maybe 3 remote servers, whatever you want to have. But then make sure that you are starting Red Hat, because in most of the organizations only Ansible is runs properly on Red Hat. Okay, we do use for production also, we use Red Hat CentOS only for our production setup. So it's better if you do hands-on on this only. It will be easy for you to work while you have the actual work in the company. Okay, so keeping that in mind, just provision the default one, provision 3 servers. Okay, one will have a control server on which we'll install Ansible, and 2 remote servers on which to which we will install the packages, okay, remotely. So keep everything default. We do not have to have any special kind of instructions here. Nothing is required. Now there is an Ansible script which I will anyway share with you. Okay, if you want to install Ansible using the script, you can do that also, but we will follow here side by side, one after other. This is basically the Ansible script, okay, what you want to install. So but we will follow the instructions side by side. Okay, means one after other, will not have any automation script, because this is very important for you to understand. That is why. Okay, just have it 8 only for all. Name it something as Ansible server. Okay, so it's going to tag instances as well as volumes. So here what you have to open is the SSH port, is very important to open, as well as HTTPS ports, because if we want to install the updates or maybe install the Ansible first, for that we should have HTTP open. Okay, so we will put this in an Ansible security group. Okay, you can copy it, paste the same thing here also. Open the port. One is the TCP. Either have all TCP or have custom TCPs. Custom TCPs would help, like HTTP and HTTPS. Okay, or have all the traffic enabled. That will not make any difference while you are learning, but then in production you should not do that. You should only open the port which is required for that server to work on. Okay, so HTTP, HTTPS, 2 things. All TCP को remove कर देंगे. How to remove it here? And now have ICMP also. What is ICMP used for? To ping. ICMP is used to ping. Okay, go next. Everything else is default. Instance type we have taken as the Linux Red Hat series. Okay, so everything else is proper. Ansible key. Go and launch the instances. Okay, so it will take some time. Let it take some time. And it failed because for Red Hat it should always be 10 GBs of minimum, yeah, storage for Red Hat. Was sure that would fail. Okay, I've given 8 GB, so but now let's just give 10 only. Okay, this is the key. Click on launch instance. Okay, so one more troubleshooting question, or maybe an interview question. How much should be the minimum EBS volume, EBS GBs for Red Hat if you are provisioning Red Hat? So it should be 10. Okay, so we'll wait until this comes online. So now we have just refresh this page and we'll fairly see all of them running now. The internet is very slow. Okay, so now all the checks have been done. So what I did by the time it was provisioning, I've just changed the names of the tags of these servers. So I have named one as a control server, other thing as a remote server 1, remote server 2. Okay, so on this control server we're going to SSH into it and then install the Ansible. Okay, let's see how we can do it. So for this we'll have a software known as a MobiXterm. We will SSH into all of these 3 servers simultaneously. Okay, take the go to the connect easily. It's very easy to do it from here. Go to connect, and from there you can have the connect details. Okay, these are the connect details for you. Take this up